What am I going to talk about next time? I don't know. But did you hear that noise? It sounded like something was buzzing, and I thought it was outside. And after a while, the ballast up there was starting to buzz. Or it was one of those light bulbs. And I turned the light off, and I turned it back on, and now it's not buzzing. But mark my word, 15, 20 minutes from now, it's going to start buzzing. And eventually I know that ballast is going to go out. And when it does, I'll probably replace it with an electronic style ballast. And the 4-foot bulbs, I'll probably have to take those off and get some different ones that are, instead of 40 watt, they'd be 32 watt, and they'll be different so that they are working with the electronic ballast. You don't want to replace a regular thick, heavy ballast with an electronic ballast and then not replace the bulbs, because the bulbs will burn out and they're not really designed that way. So, you know, ask at the hardware store, something like that, and go from there. Sometimes it's, you know, depending how old your light fixture is, it might be just as easy by the time you know, maybe there's 2 ballasts in there. Sometimes there could be 2 ballasts, or 1 ballast for 4 tubes, or 2 ballasts for 2 tubes each, and then you have to rewire it and do all that kind of stuff. Maybe it's just as easy to take the entire light fixture down and purchase a brand new one with the electronic style in there, and it's got the nice little ends on it, and you can get the bulbs for it, and then you don't have to retrofit an existing light fixture. So there's a tip for you on that. Hey, I'm always about tips. So keep watching my channel, because you never know what I'm going to talk about next. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.